Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always ensure the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. Finally, locate the alternator, which is usually found on the front or side of the engine, often near the power steering pump. Now let's get that old alternator out. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main electrical connector and the thick battery cable attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these. With the bolts out, gently wiggle and maneuver the old alternator free from its bracket and out of the engine bay. Installing the new alternator is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket, making sure the bolt holes align perfectly. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to fully tighten them to specification. Reconnect the main electrical connector and the battery cable, ensuring they are snug. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it is correctly routed over all pulleys and properly tensioned. With the new alternator in place, it's time for final checks and testing. Double-check that all electrical connections are secure and that the mounting bolts are tight. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and observe your dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off. For a thorough check, use a multimeter to measure the voltage across the battery terminals with the engine running. You should see a reading between 14 and 15 volts, indicating proper charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.